Wow Skin Science Hair Loss Control Therapy Conditioner as best hair conditioner for hair care and hair growth. Welcome to our channel, Hair Zone Solution. Wow Skin Science Hair Loss Control Therapy Conditioner is an advanced hair care solution with multiple hair benefits. Its DHT blocking action gives your hair powerful protection from hair loss. This best hair conditioner suits all hair types. Wow Skin Science Hair Loss Control Therapy Conditioner provides advanced and powerful anti-hair loss action that helps reduce hair fall. It also helps nourish hair roots and strengthen hair shafts. This conditioner has been formulated as totally without color and fragrance. Wow Skin Science Hair Loss Control Therapy Conditioner as best hair conditioner for hair care and hair growth. This hair conditioner effective anti-hair loss action that blocks DHT to reduce hair fall, promote hair growth and improve hair volume. Wow Skin Science Hair Loss Control Therapy Conditioner comes with Bhringraj extract, Amla extract, Neem extract, and Henna extract. Bhringraj extract, Ayurvedic herbal extract to reduce hair fall, delay graying, promote hair growth and condition hair. Amla extract, Ayurvedic herbal extract rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, keeps hair follicles and scalp healthy. Neem extract, Ayurvedic herbal extract that stimulates scalp blood flow to boost nourishment intake by hair follicles, and checks dandruff. Henna extract, Ayurvedic herbal extract that helps stimulate hair growth, conditions and strengthens hair. Wow Skin Science Hair Loss Control Therapy Shampoo with advanced and powerful anti-hair loss action that reduces hair fall by naturally blocking the DHT hormone. Sweet almond, castor, jojoba and argan oils, all rich in essential fatty acids and antioxidants, give intensive moisturization for soft, smooth and silky looking hair. Shikakai extract gives gentle hair cleansing for easy detangling, less breakage and reduced split ends. Biotin, niacin, and extracts of rosemary, henna and bhringraj strengthen hair and minimize hair damage. Wow Skin Science Hair Loss Control Therapy Conditioner as best hair conditioner for hair care and hair growth. You will get the product link in the description box. To buy this product, just click on the link given below. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel, Hair Zone Solution.